Want to know how to sell SaaS subscriptions using Vendasta? Well, you're in the right place. Stick around because I'm going to show you how this powerful platform can help you quickly scale your SaaS offerings, all while giving you an exclusive opportunity to try it out for free. You're going to want to watch till the end because I've got a special bonus for you. Let's dive right into it. The first thing to understand is that Vendasta isn't just a SaaS platform, it's a one-stop solution for marketing and selling software as a service. It's designed for agencies and businesses like yours that want to sell digital products and services at scale. By using Vendasta, you can automate your workflows and boost your sales with minimal effort. Next thing, let's talk about the marketplace. Vendasta has its own extensive marketplace where you can choose from a wide range of SaaS products, including everything from SEO tools to social media management software. You can easily white label these products, which means you can sell them as if they were your own. This is a great feature for anyone looking to expand their SaaS offerings without having to build everything from scratch. The third thing you'll love about Vendasta is its sales automation tools. With their CRM system, you can track leads, automate follow-ups, and streamline your entire sales process. You can also create custom sales pipelines and use Vendasta's built-in email templates to engage with clients. This helps you close deals faster and more efficiently, ensuring that you're always on top of your sales game. Next, the platform provides a robust reporting and analytics dashboard. You'll be able to track key performance metrics, such as sales, customer engagement, and product usage. This data-driven approach lets you refine your strategy and make smarter business decisions. You'll always know what's working and where to improve. The fifth thing is the integration capabilities. Vendasta integrates with popular tools like Google, Facebook, and Microsoft, which means you can easily plug in your existing tech stack. This saves you time and reduces the hassle of managing multiple platforms. Plus, these integrations make it easier for you to sell SaaS subscriptions using Vendasta as everything is connected. The sixth thing I want to mention is the customer service. Vendasta offers excellent support, including live chat and dedicated account managers. Whether you're new to the platform or looking for help scaling, you can always rely on their team to guide you every step of the way. And lastly, to really sweeten the deal, Vendasta offers an exclusive free trial when you sign up through the first link below. This is a limited time offer that you won't find anywhere else. You can try out all the features I mentioned today without any commitment. So, if you're serious about selling SaaS subscriptions and want to leverage a powerful platform to do it, I highly recommend you give Vendasta a shot. Remember, using the link below, you can claim your exclusive extended free trial and start selling SaaS subscriptions today with ease. Don't wait, try Vendasta for free and start scaling your SaaS sales now.